Here is the Infinix Note 40 and the Note 40 Pro. They have similar design and features. I didn't see this coming. I was hoping that the Note 40 series would be launched much later, but here we are. This is going to be a partial review video because what I have here is their dummies. Both phones will be available in a few days, but until then, let's see what we can expect from them. This is the Note 40 and this is the Note 40 Pro. Although they have similar designs, there are some major differences here too. Let's start with the camera module. The main and secondary camera of the Note 40 have a little elevation that makes them a little higher than the rest of the module. On the Note 40 Pro, both cameras are leveled with the rest of the module. The Note 40 has an impressive red and black toggle button design in the module. This is obviously the most noticeable difference between them. Both phones are designed with a 108 megapixel camera sensor with a super zoom, but only the 40 Pro supports OIS, which is optical image stabilization. Finally, the Note 40 Pro has a fine curved back that feels very smooth, unlike the Note 40, which offers no curve. Looking at the back of these phones, they look so much like every other regular device, but the good news is they support wireless charging of up to 20 watts. This is a little improvement from last year's Note 30 Pro, which supports 15 watts wireless charging. Both phones have the same position for their SIM tray, microphones, charging ports, and speakers. The same goes for their power and volume buttons, as well as the second speaker and microphone at the top of the phone. So both phones have 2 speakers and 2 microphones. The design of the Note 40 and 40 Pro looks awesome, but only a little different from the design of the Note 30. Putting that aside, these are lovely designs, and personally, I prefer the design of the Note 40. Both phones are powered by the popular Helio G99 processor, so unless I operate these phones and their performance prove otherwise, it is safe to say that they have about the same performance. The Note 40 has up to 16GB of extended RAM, and the Note 40 Pro has up to 24GB of extended RAM. I'm not sure if Infinix had previously made a phone of up to 24GB of extended RAM, and if this is their first time, shout out to Infinix because installing of many apps and multitasking just got better. Both phones features AMOLED displays with support for in-display fingerprint scanner. The Infinix Note 40 Pro features a curved display, which is one of my best features so far. How I really love to play football game on this display. Finally, the wired charging capacity of the Infinix Note 40 Pro is 70 watts, while the Infinix Note 40 supports 45 watt fast charging. I'm looking forward to making a thorough review video of both phones where we highlight every of their single features. Let me know what you want me to look into. Until then, see you again. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.